Reassemble. Johnny 5 is alive. What? Jump out your final to find your normal. That better not be a crane crew. What the fudge? Nearest crane, nearest tower crane I can't see from the horizon, or because of the horizon. Anyways, it works. That works. That does not. I know how to take it apart. No disassemble. Anyways, I can know how to take it apart, put it back together, and I got my borrowed DVD, found DVD, more from the garbage bin, but it works. Respectively. But anyways, who's going to jail? Do. That's the railroad. Long tone DTMF, which is 1. We'll try that. I know you can't. Okay, calm down. There it is. Come on. Really? It's really not that difficult. Yes. Here we go. There you go. That's all you get. That's channel 11 on FRS. Sorry for the fast movement. Wow, everything. What time is it? It's about lunchtime. Late brunch, early lunch. It is bright. Sorry. It works. I played a couple notes. That's proof enough. Ha. Otherwise, it's a strike on YouTube. And yeah. So back to normal for the media center. As normal as it can get. And it's enough to play with. So it's about all I can do with it anyways. I mean, I'd like to do more. Yeah. Parts and pieces. Service materials. I'm going to go find out who's bumping these repeaters. Then I'm going to thump them on the head for doing things that they ought not do. Here's the Hispanic crane crew, I think. Anyways, the nearest crane tower, can't see for the buildings downtown from my perspective because I'm in a hole. Otherwise, I could look that way. I'm going to go see if there's a fire. Honestly, one of those things might be on fire, so you just never know. Bye.